to your mail IDs, or else on the end of the day I'll send
Okay.
in the chat.
Okay.
Just try with first update will release. I'll send you themselves in the chat. Just make a note of these commands.
Okay.
Ganesh, you can also make a note. I'm not sure whether this is gonna work with your Mac or not.
Yeah, sure. Let me make a note and will update
Yeah.
you.
Just do the same thing in CentOS 6 and 7. The next command is install git hyphen devel pip open SSL Ansible.
So that means like Ansible is runs with Python.
Yeah, I mean, like, we give these commands, Python commands also. I've sent you that commands key for the chat.
Okay.
This is the installation process. I've sent you the link, direct link. Installation of Ansible in CentOS 7.
Okay.
Guys, this is for Mac. I've sent you the links. Installation of Ansible for Mac.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
You
I'll
can
check.
try to execute the playbooks in your Mac at least.
Okay. Okay.
So then over here we'll check for Ansible version. Once you install Ansible, check for Ansible version. Once you get this, you'll have a config file over here. Just copy this config file /etc/ansible /ansible.config. Just copy that. Let's go to VI editor and try to paste this. You have this inventory file. Okay. just disable this. It will be, sorry, enable this. Okay, inventory file and also the sudo users. Okay, so without sudo, we can actually run this through root. Okay, inventory files and sudo users, just remove the hash.
Okay.
Okay, I've not given the hash, I've removed the hash for inventory and sudo. Rest of this I've left out everything. Just save that. Just wait for this. Just add an Ansible user over here. For adding user, I'll take command user add Ansible 5. You can give any name because you're fresh from, like, you can only give Ansible. I've used multiple times. That's why then I'm using another name over here, Ansible 5. I'll give a password Ansible 5. Choose the default Red Hat. Okay, already password is taken. Clear. Just wait for this. Once this is done, we'll start doing. Well, I'll try to give us vi sudo over here. Let's take another command vi sudo. Oh yeah, just give a slash forward slash and check for root. Over down to this, allow root to run any command anywhere. Okay, you see this? Just give there Ansible 5 all is equal to all, no password colon all. Just right over here, it's a password, like without any password, it will take it. I've sent you that both in the chat box. I've sent you Ansible 5. Just write anything of yours. Done. Check for again Ansible version over here also. Just copy this config file.
So sudo Ansible 5 is the username, right?
Which one?
Or sudo Ansible 5 is the username,
No, no,
or
no. Sorry.
should it have?
No.
I
It's
think
not
it.
sudo. By mistake, it might be added. Again, I'm sending
Okay,
you.
okay. I think Ansible 5 only, right?
Yeah,
Ansible
yeah.
5 and then
Ansible
all
5.
low.
I have given Ansible 5 space
Okay, okay.
capital all is equal to password colon all. I've sent you, bro.
So it should be. Okay.
You got it? Okay, let's go to VI editor. Paste over here again. Over here also in 7 also the inventory file is disabled, enable, and even
Okay.
these sudo users is enabled. I'll just try to quit this. It's clear. I'll just give vi sudo again over here also. Same whatever I've used in 6, I'll just try to do this in 7. over here I got. The thing is I've not added the user add. I'll add Ansible 5 password Ansible 5. I'm trying to create a user for 6 and 7 also. Okay, we need to have two users. 6 I've already given username. I've given the no in the VI sudo I've changed everything. In 7 I'm doing it now. VI sudo. You can name anything. Ansible 1 or Ansible 5 and 6 and Ansible 7 and 7 also. Okay, whatever number you want you can give it. Or as default you can give Ansible. Ansible 5 all is equal to password. Uh, let's try to clear. I've given even the sudo access over here. Now next I'll be logging as a SSH user. I'll just try to copy this user. When we give a host name over here, the problem is it will show localhost.local domain. Even in 7, if I give localhost host name, it will show me the same command. Okay, so that's the reason I'm taking IP address. I can either take IP address or host name. So I'll be taking the IP address. I'll just check for IP address with the config. I'll just copy this IP address of 6 IP address. Let's come to 7. Log in as Ansible over here first. Okay, it is not asking the password, when I log into Ansible 5.
Okay.
Okay, so again check here the IP address will be the same. No worries. So what I'll do is SSH Ansible 5 at the rate IP address of CentOS 6. It will ask me the yes for the first time. It will ask let's give a password. Okay, I've already now I'm connected to 6. Okay, I'll just exit from here. Okay, the connection is lost. You see this IP address 190.168.228, sorry, 155. The same IP address you find here.
Okay.
I'll just log in as Ansible over here also. Ansible 5. Now what we're doing is we'll be giving an SSH connection from 7 to 6. Okay, SSH hyphen keygen. Enter. Just check. You have an RSA. You have a key over here. cd.ssh. With cd.ssh ls. You have the RSA key over here. Now what we'll do is we'll try to connect we'll copy this key from 7 to 6. Okay. Now if I see here ls hyphen la, there are no SSH keys if you see over here. Okay. Now we'll copy from 7 to 6. For this, we'll be using a command ssh hyphen copy hyphen id ansible 5 at the rate and the IP address config. Let's try to copy the IP address. I'll paste over here. I'm trying to copy these seven, whatever we created an IP SSH key from 7 to 6. Yes, that is added. I will check in 6. Over here, if you see, there's no SSH key over here.
Okay.
ls -bd. You see your SSH key dot SSH.
Okay.
Got it, Uday? Ganesh?
Yes. Yes. Yes, Praveen.
Got it. Ganesh, okay?
Yeah, yes, okay. I'm okay.
Okay. Just put the config. Try to run an inventory file. This will do an vi slash etc slash ansible slash host. Over here, we'll be adding a groups, Uday. Normally, in real time, we'll be having multiple systems, right? Say, like example, dev team, we have ops team, then we have QA team. Okay, some different
Okay.
teams, right? So we have to execute this playbook. Okay, we'll be giving a group name over there. Okay, suppose
Okay.
like dev team has got 20 system, ops team has got 15 systems. Okay, and we can mention over
Okay.
here, we can mention a group name,
Okay.
give a square bracket, because dev team over here. This will what we'll be doing is we'll copying the IP address or the host name.
6. Okay.
If it is 20 systems, we'll be copying 20 host names over here. Okay, or the IP address. We'll be
Okay.
giving a square bracket over here, and we'll give the name. Okay. The same way,
Okay.
if I have another machine, what can I do is I can give a another name called as a ops team or a QA team, and I can paste a IP address over there. Okay.
Okay.
Whenever you try to execute any playbook with the name, it will only execute in that group. Or else if I have another two systems, another two machines, I can give that IP address over here down to that. Got it? Or any doubts?
Yeah. 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 Got it. Got it.
You can ask this. I mean, this is
Got it.
important. I mean, like in real time, we'll be not doing anything over here. Okay,
Okay.
it is only for us to practice. Everything will be added over there. 2.5 for writing. Just give me a second. I have to do from the root, but I was actually trying to do it from Ansible. That's the reason it
Okay.
was not adding. Okay, I've added a group name for this. I've given this 6 as a dev team.
Okay.
What I do is I just check Ansible. Uh, what name I've given? Dev team, right? Dev team hyphen list hyphen host. It will show the IP address.
Okay.
Okay. Don't worry, I'll send you by end of the day. I'll send you the in a notepad the copy. Okay, the installation
Okay.
copy. I'll write the entire installation. Whatever I'm giving over here, I'll write in a notepad. At least I'll send by afternoon. Okay, you can check that today, and you can do by yourself. And meanwhile, also you'll be done with your CentOS 6. Okay. And if you have a multiple like the group names, what you can give is Ansible all hyphen list hyphen host. Okay. So I don't have like couple of things. I have only one. That's the reason it's not showing. So what we'll do is we'll try to you know copy a file from CentOS 7 to 6. We'll just try to clear this terminal and just give the command Ansible 13. Slash any dummy file. I'll just show you over here. CDs slash 10. They're already of this I've created for another students. One BYK and dummy. Now I'm giving a dummy file. Okay. I'm just creating
Okay.
a dummy file in this temp folder. Okay. I've given this Ansible dev team. Dev team is nothing but the group name. Because in the group name you have given CentOS 6 IP address, right? So it will be copying that. Hyphen S is sudo. Okay.
Okay.
Tag sudo. I'm giving a touch command. I'm saying like slash temp and slash temp. Try to create a dummy file. Recognized. Just give me a second. Try to delete this. Okay, it's done. Yeah, we are seeing dummy file.
Okay.
Okay, dummy file. Whatever I've given a touch command over here, it is already created over here. Ganesh, got it?
got it. Yes, Praveen, got it.
Yeah, we'll try to delete that. We'll check how to delete that. Give a same. I'll try again to give an sudo and check -s. Instead of touch, we'll be giving rm command. Okay. See, now I've deleted the file. Okay. Previously there was a dummy file, but now there's no dummy file.
Okay.
Over here, if you see, when we did an ls, we have a dummy file under this dummy, down to this dummy. When we have deleted this, when we have again given an ls, there's no dummy file. Okay, it is deleted. So this is how you can do. These are all the standalone commands.
Okay.
If you want, you can also ping also, like Ansible uh, dev team -m ping. Dev team is like a group name. Okay, you can pick any group name and also once check whether you're able to ping or not. So this is success. This is able to ping to that machine. Okay, from 7
Okay.
able to ping. Send you this command. Later I'll send you everything. Check in the chat box. Even I'll try to send you those commands.
Okay. I mean, send also the delete and
Yeah, I'm
cache
typing that
touch
only.
files.
Yeah, I'm typing that only. Temp slash.
Okay, fine.
I've sent you check. You can give any name, Uday, for the group name. I've given dev team, right? You can name
Okay.
anything.
Okay. But that the dev team group should be defined in what is it? Pseudo files.
Which one, bro?
The dev team group should be added in the
Yeah.
hosts, right? EDC host.
Yes, yes. VDI slash etc slash Ansible slash host.
Okay.
I'll send you in that command. VDI slash etc slash Ansible slash host. You got that command?
Yeah.
You have another command for a copy. That's Ansible dev team. That's a group name. -m copy. We'll give the source. What's the sources? Like any test name. Text dot will give it as text txt. Destination where it has to be saved equal to slash tem slash text dot txt. What we have given the file name. Or else we'll do one thing. Check pwd. /home/ansible 5. Ansible dev team -m, copy the source text.txt. The destination would be, I'm choosing this as a destination where it has to be saved. You can choose anything. Just test.txt. Just give me a second. Ansible dev team -m, copy text.txt. Destination home Ansible 5. .txt file is not working. Just 1 second, bro. I'll check this command and resend you this copy file. That's the
Okay,
same
no
command. I'm
problem.
not sure why it is not executing over here. I'll send
Okay.
you over here.
Okay.
There's no difference in the command. The command is the same. I'll
Okay.
send you in the chat. See. other commands which will be using as standalone commands. First, does this. That's okay, bro? Visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay. This is like how to install or remove package. Okay. So from one system, from one machine to another machine, if you have to install anything, you don't need to write a playbook. Okay. You can just directly use a standard commands like Ansible and the dev team is like the group name. Okay. Hyphen S is a sudo and hyphen M and M is like for if you are using CentOS, it is M. If you are using Ubuntu, it will be like apt. Got it?
Yeah.
I mean, like in Ubuntu, you'll be using apt hyphen packet apt hyphen get right to install anything, and in Yum we'll be using in CentOS we'll be using Yum right. So we'll be that's the reason I've given a Yum. Whatever it is, like you can choose that.
Okay.
Package is equal to anything HTTPD or anything you can give over here. Okay, this is like installing Ansible, the group name, hyphen S is a sudo, hyphen M, hyphen A is an arbitrary command. Package is equal to whatever package you want to install, the package name.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
state is equal to present. Another command is
So
Ansible.
state present is, what is the meaning of the state equal to present?
Present is like whatever the package is present, just to install that. If you give your
Okay.
uh, latest, it will try to install the latest one. If it is like the previous one is 11.0, and if the latest is like 11.1, it will try to install the latest one.
Okay. Okay.
If you give a or here absent is like deleting, removing.
Okay.
Okay, this is like removing the package. Same command I was supposed to write over here. Got it? Present is like a present
Yeah.
package, whatever is there. And if you give a
Yeah.
latest, it will try to install the latest one, whichever is available. And absent is like removing the entire package.
Okay. Got it.
Got it? Ganesh? Okay?
Yeah.
Got it, Praveen.
Got it, right. Another is I'm like how to start or stop a service. So these are all a standalone commands, bro. This is not a playbook, okay? But whatever we write over here is actually will be in a playbook. Got it? Like if you understand
Yeah.
the standalone commands over here, then you can understand playbook. Playbook is like very easy. The only thing is like Docker, how we try to understand, the format. Over here also you need to understand, state is equal to absent means what is that? You'll be giving in the playbook like state is equal to absent means to remove. If we give latest, then that is like we are asking the playbook to get the latest version of this package. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Over here we'll be giving like Ansible. If I have a like I can give like dev team, or if I have a number of groups, I can give like all. If I have a number of groups, I can give all, or else I can give for a single user as dev team hyphen s for sudo hyphen m service because I'm using yum. I'm like percentage. Hyphen A is an arbitrary command. Name is equal to httpd. State is equal to started. Name is equal to started. So this is right how you start. I mean, like in Jenkins, we'll be giving right systemctl restart Jenkins once we try doing it. Hello.
Okay. Yeah.
We try to start the
Ah,
service, right? Once we install, we'll like once the Jenkins is installed, we'll try to do like systemctl enable Jenkins or systemctl start Jenkins. Then if it is a restarted, we'll be giving over here restarted. Okay. If you want to once the service is installed, we'll try to start the service by giving a command started. If you have to restart that service, we'll giving like restarted. And if I have to stop that service, I'll just give over here simply stopped.
Okay.
If I give stop, that service will be stopped. If I have to again restart that service after a couple of hours or next day, I'll just say restarted. Okay, the service will be restarted again. It will take a minute for you once you start practicing today. Okay, I'm not sure whether you're getting it or not. Uh, Hello,
Yes.
you getting it?
yes, Praveen. Yeah, understood this one.
You understood, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's
The only thing is, once
starting
you
up.
try to practice this, I'll send you the entire I'll write and send you in a notepad. Same whatever
Okay.
is there, I'll send you entirely. Just give a 1 or 2 hours. I'll write and send you. You can do it by yourself. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
we'll do it.
I'll write a playbook also. A small playbook.
Okay.
It's like how to create or delete user account. Okay, if you have to create a user from one machine to another machine, it's like Ansible dev team, that's a group name, whatever group you're choosing, -s, sudo -m, give a user, -a is an arbitrary, so name is equal to whatever name I can give, like my name, or I'll give my name, that's it. So this is how I create a user in this dev team. Okay,
Okay.
if I have to delete the same user, so what I'll do is I'll give name state is equal to absent. Okay, absent means to remove.
Oh. Okay.
If you have to check the user whether the user is available or not in the, like if the team is asked to check whether the user is available or not, how you can check is like if you have to check whether your name is added or not. Okay, just give a cat command, cat uh, etc slash password, give a grep command, grep, and your name, like I'll just give my name. If I once check this, it will show whether my name is added or not. If it is not added, it will not show anything. If it is added, it will show the name. Okay. If it is not added, then you can add the name. Got it?
Okay.
before adding any username, we can check by this cat/etc/password grep the pipe, then give a grep, then the name. We have another thing called as con job. Okay,
Okay.
con job or con lab, whatever name we can give it is. One second. Hmm.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Yes.
This con job is similar to Jenkins, bro. You remember in Jenkins we have given poll.
Polisium. Polisium.
Yeah, remember that?
Yes, we are aware.
We've given like
Yeah, yeah, we are aware of the content. Yeah.
yeah, who then will be giving like star, star, star. Remember? Same. This is the same way. We'll be giving like date, hour, okay, and minute, which minute the job has to run. Okay, it is like simple, like Ansible. I'll give it as dev team,
Okay.
uh, hyphen s, hyphen m,
Okay.
and I'll give it as con hyphen a. Hyphen a is an arbitrary. I'll just give it as name is equal to. Let's put it as any name. I'll put as con lab. Okay, and I can give it as minute is equal to 30. I'll put as r is equal to 4, fourth r. Then job whatever I run, it is like what I have to run the file name. Anything file name I can give it over here. Got it? Hello.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
You got this concept right? Conlab, same like
Yeah.
Jenkins Polisium only. Okay, we
Okay.
need to give minute, hour, and the job name. Okay, if I have to remove this, I'm like suddenly you have to remove this con job. Then it is like Ansible dev team hyphen u, give a test hyphen s hyphen m con hyphen a, then give the name of the file whatever, and date is equal to absent. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Absent is remember these commands absent, latest, present. These are most important when we write in playbook.
Okay.
So these are the commands. Then the next session will be try using playbooks. Okay.
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 Yeah,
Sorry,
Praveen,
yeah,
only one thing I want to add.
yeah. Tell me, bro.
So we are almost, I mean, coming to the end of the session, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So
We have only
one thing is
playbooks
like,
now.
yeah, I mean, not today. I'm saying overall we are coming
Overall,
to,
yes.
I
Overall,
mean,
it is almost completed. I'll
yeah.
tell you
So,
playbooks, and we'll have another topic that
okay.
is Docker networking. Another topic
Oh, okay.
which I have missed it. Docker networking. We have completed Docker, Docker Vault, Docker Compose. Docker networking. Only one topic is remaining. Once the playbook is
Okay.
completed, we'll start with Docker networking. It's only a small topic, half an hour topic. That's it.
So,
Yeah,
so,
Praveen,
so
yeah. Praveen, my request
are
is after completing this, right? we need, I mean, Uday will also accept this. We need one session, like one more time,
Yeah, no
like interview
problem.
point of view. What are the things we need to recollect, work? Please suggest that.
Yeah, sure, sure.
What is
I will
important
take
area we
that.
need to cover
Uday,
that, like that?
like I've given you
Yes.
one material, right? Like this
Okay.
one, uh, day check-in office.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Did you check this? I'm like, once, whenever we log in the office, what are the things we do? Generally, I've written that. Another thing is like day activity, I've written.
Yeah. You share this to
Yeah.
us.
Yeah, I've shared this, right?
I
Like
will do.
most of the things I've shared in this only. You can once read this meanwhile,
Okay.
and end of the day, as you asked,
Yeah.
we'll take one session. Okay.
Yeah.
At
Yeah.
the same time, we'll try to work on like uh, a small project and pull up some GitHub URLs. I'll share you the URLs also. Once we complete this
Okay.
playbook and talk on networking topic, we'll try working on that.
Okay.
Do we cover? I think we will be. You said like you will be covering Sonar Cube, right?
Yeah,
Will
Sonar
you
Cube
be?
is also a small topic. We'll be covering that also. We'll be trying to install Sonar Cube also.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
I've already done with
Okay.
my,
Fine.
already it is there in my system.
Okay.
Okay.
The Sonar Cube is there.
Okay.
Meanwhile, try to install the CentOS 6
Sure. Sure. I'll
3GB
do
one,
that.
3.9 GB one,
Yeah.
and
So
I'll send you a material.
okay. So when do we have the next class?
Monday.
But okay. Yeah. That's
Sorry,
fine.
tomorrow is Saturday, right? Sorry, tomorrow will have class.
Tomorrow is Saturday, but anyway, I have to install. Right? Install will take some time.
Install 6 is very easy to install. It will take hardly half an hour time. Do one
Okay.
thing, just ping me now.
Yeah,
Okay.
Uday, if you
So
want, we can
we'll
keep
try by
evenings.
tomorrow.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just ping me half an hour before of the class. No, I'll just be
Sure.
there.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. I'm okay with any time. So Uday and
yeah.
Praveen, you
Just
please
yeah, Uday will
discuss and
coordinate
inform me.
Ganesh. Once
Yeah.
Uday is
Okay.
coordinated, we'll just ping.
Yeah, I'm
Sure.
okay with any time. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
Thank you,
yeah,
Praveen.
Uday.
Bye.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah. Bye.